Dear friends, welcome back to English Story World Slow English Learning Videos. In today's short and interesting video, you will improve your English vocabulary, reading, writing, spelling, and listening skills in a very simple and easy way. This video is made in slow and clear English so that you can understand every word easily. You can listen carefully or even play it during your sleeping time to improve your listening skills naturally. If you want to listen faster, you can increase the playback speed in the video settings. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Story World for more helpful English learning videos. So, are you ready? Let's begin today's lesson. The Small Step. Ravi was a young boy from a small village. He always dreamed of doing something big in his life. But every day felt the same. He woke up early, helped his father in the fields, and went to school. At night, he studied under a small lamp. Many times, Ravi felt tired. Sometimes he felt that his dreams were too big for a small village boy. His friends laughed at him when he said he wanted to become an engineer. One evening, his teacher called him after class. "Ravi," the teacher said softly, "do you know what makes a person successful?" Ravi shook his head. "It is not talent. It is not money. It is small steps taken every day." That night, Ravi thought deeply. He understood that he did not need to change his whole life in one day. He only needed to improve a little every day. From the next morning, he made a simple plan. He studied 1 extra hour. He practiced English for 30 minutes. He asked questions in class without fear. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Slowly, Ravi's confidence grew. His marks improved. His English became better. Even his friends stopped laughing and started asking him for help. Years later, Ravi stood in front of a college building in a big city. He had earned a seat in an engineering college. He smiled and remembered his teacher's words. Success did not come in one big jump. It came through small, daily steps. And Ravi learned that no dream is too big, if you are ready to take one small step every day.